Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn how to extend the battery life of your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. These settings will help you gain an extra 20 to 30% of active time without sacrificing performance.